Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So on the daily chart we do not have very big changes. Yes, market is showing slightly deeper action, but as we said yesterday, all the stuff stands in the range of the Friday candle. It's really upward action. So it is more or less clear with the weekly daily basis. So when we have on the weekly chart bearish context and bearish trend, this is a level that we have specified that we could use to fade upward action on the daily chart, upward trend on the daily chart against the strong resistance level. So, and if you trade on really long-term charts, probably you already have the bearish position, or at least this is a level that potentially might become the one where downward action will be reestablished. But at the same time, as we said yesterday, the market performance in this area is not strong enough, I mean in terms of the downside action, to tell that this is already a reversal. Because by the few reasons. First of all, here the upward action was relatively strong and fast. Overall background right now stands in the short term bullish for euro currency. That's because it was bad payrolls and dovish steps from the Treasury and from the Fed, and that's potentially supportive for the euro currency. Besides possible rate cut in June, euro currency is already 99% is priced in the current performance. From that standpoint, as I said, I have some doubts that and suspicious that market really could try to just show another upward action, challenge this top, and move slightly closer to this resistance. In general, this is a great level. It's really wide. Two confidence areas stands, really big resistance cluster, and we hope that market just will stuck inside of it. So let us take the short position. But based on things that we have discussed yesterday, personally I do not like yet the background for taking the short position. Yes, on the follow time frame chart you could see that market is moving lower, but take a look. This retracement is not even the 30%, which is stand 107.30. This is a very small downward action. Now market is just started retesting of this previous top and coming to the confluence 107.26, 107.30. It's very small retracement, and it's absolutely normal when the market hits the OP. Acceleration onto the OP stands solid. So I not exclude the moment if market will try to just touch this level and show another upward bounce. Besides, if you trade on a daily intraday basis, you do not have reasons to take the short position. It's just because your trend direction is up, because on the daily chart we have the bullish trend. So all these things together make me stay aside by far from taking any new shorts position, at least for the longer term trading. So on the hourly chart, you could see that market has erased our very small nearest trading setup with the butterfly. It has not been formed, although you could see, we discussed it in this point, you can see the upward bounce was relatively nice. Market even has retested 107.88. So here's performance of the 35-40 pips up has happened, but right there it was finished and market just dropped lower. So currently this triangle has been broken, but at the same time overall price performance is not very fast, and there's no clear pattern stands around. So what we could do in the current circumstances, OP stands precisely on the confluence support 107.30 area, which makes an agreement with the level, right? So potentially it might be interesting for a long entry on the intraday chart if we will get some clearly bullish reversal patterns around it. So you could drop your time frame more, say to the 15-minute chart, and see what will happen where markets start flirting with this area. If still we will see deeper downward actions, market will break the confluence and start moving lower. So in this case, yes, maybe indeed bearish context start forming, and we could start watching for taking the short position for a longer term perspective. But for now, I'm not sure that it's a moment where we need to do this. So if you haven't taken position right there on top around the confidence that we have discussed on the daily chart with the spike, so at this point my choice is to wait a bit and see what will happen, because I still think that market could try to retest this top, and as you understand, weekly daily time frame basis is rather wide, so long term, and to prepare the background for downside reversal around major daily conference, market has significantly more time to do this, and usually the background looks like some extended pattern. So I don't know, maybe market will start forming here some kind of hand shoulders or something. So something should happen around it. So this drop also could be justified by the two moments. As I warned you yesterday, this week we have few United States debt actions, and yesterday it was action for 3-year bonds. It was relatively good, so Treasury was able to sell bonds at the market yield approximately, and bid to cover ratio was 2.63, which stands above the average. Average bid to cover usually stands around 2.6 to 2.57, so it was 2.63, so this is more or less successful. And that, I think, also provides some support to the United States dollar in the short term. So that being said, by my opinion, that's for taking the bearish position on the higher time frames on the daily and the weekly seems a bit early, at least by my personal view. So I don't want to force you for this idea. Just if you have your own opinion, that's great. So maybe you will be right. But for me, just by watching what I see, I don't have some really desire to take the position right now. If you trade on the intraday charts, your context right now stands bullish, and you could keep an eye on what will happen around 107.25, 107.30. If market starts forming some bullish patterns, you could try to use for taking scalp long position. Approximate target will be around the previous top. Yes, market could go to the 109 XLP, but as you understand, for that we need some really big reason, just because market will have to break all these confidence areas on the way up to do this. Currently I do not see it, so because of that I would focus on just previous top, somewhere around 109, 108, 108.35, which is also the level on the daily chart. Somewhere inside of this next level, it might be standard target and could be used for this intraday trading step. That's all we see currently on EUR currency.